Good morning, students. We are going to start with another session of English, starting with the poem 2.2 Indian Weavers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu requires no introduction. She was a political activist, feminist, and the first woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. She was born in 1879 and died in 1949. She was a very active member of India's freedom struggle movement. Sarojini Naidu's work as a poet earned her the title of Nightingale of India. Later, she became the governor of United Provinces in 1947, becoming the first woman to hold this position. Now about the poem. Indian Weaver is a short poem where the poet talks about three types of garments that the weavers weave at three particular times of a day. Each stanza of the poem represents the three important events of human life: birth, adulthood, and old age. The colors mentioned in the stanzas are very significant as they indicate the moods related to the events. In first stanza, Sarojini Naidu is asking question: weavers, why you are weaving at break of day? Why do we weave a garment so gay? That means break of day, early morning. Here Sarojini Naidu is asking question to the weavers that why you are weaving so early morning at the start of the morning, and why you are weaving garments so gay. Gay means colorful. And see what weavers are giving the answer. Blue as the wing of Halcyon Wild. We weave the robes of a newborn child. They are telling that we are weaving colorful garment for the newborn babies. That means this stanza indicates the first stage of human life, that is birth. Here, Halcyon Wild, it is kingfisher, another name for kingfisher bird. The kingfisher bird is so colorful, and these people are weaving colorful garment, and these garments are for the newborn babies. In second stanza, she's asking question again to the weavers. Weavers weaving at fall of night, at the start of night, why you are weaving a garment so bright, colorful, again bright, like the soft feathers of peacock, purple and green. We weave the marriage bells of a queen. Again, second stanza, she's asking the question, weavers, why you are weaving at the start of the night? And why do we weave a garment so bright? Why so bright garment you are weaving at this time of an hour? And what they say? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. Plumes here means it is a soft feather of peacock. Soft feather of peacock we are weaving for whom? For the queen. Queen's marriage is there, and for the well of the queen we are weaving this. That means second stage, adulthood, indicates adulthood. And so Sarojini is asking question, why you are weaving at the start of the night, and why so bright color? And the weavers tell that because it is for the wedding of a queen. We are weaving well for the queen. And the last stanza, third stanza, again she's asking question to the weavers. Weavers weaving solemn and still, why you are so sad? Why there is sorrow on your face while weaving? What do you view in the moonlight chill? Night time. It is very, very chill, cold. And you are viewing at this hour. And they are answering, white as a feather and white as a cloud. We view a dead man's funeral shroud. White feather, white as a feather, white, colorful. Not colorful, I'm sorry. It's white color. Why? White color for the dead man's shroud. Dead man's shroud, the here dead man's shroud means which a dead person is wrapped, a cloth. That means in third stanza, Weaver is asking question, why you people are so sad and still, and why you are weaving at late night. The night is very chill and you are weaving at this hour, and they are answering, we are weaving white color, white feather, white cloth, because it is for the dead man. The dead man will be wrapped in this cloth. This third stage indicates old age, and that is death. So, 3 stages of human life Sarojini Naidu has spoken about. That's all in today's lecture. See you. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.